It's gone to the boundary. It's over. Bangladesh have gone on to win the first ever series. 2-0. Bangladesh have done the Bangladesh. Yes.
Ha 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 ha. Bangladesh on the second test against Pakistan, and it is to be called the very Bangladesh and the very whitewash. So I congratulations, congrats. বাংলাদেশের প্রাণ লিটন দাসের অসামান্য ব্যাটিং নৈপুণ্য। লিটন দাস, Hassan Mahmood, his bowling action without any sign of anger, the very bowling naipunno. Bangladeshi speed master, bowling speed master Nahid Rana, the great Nahid Rana, his bowling action Nahid Rana. Good luck, good fortune, good fate for Bangladesh, the very Bangladeshi players, the very team, for the team of Bangladesh. Fortune, greatest fortune, bhagyo. That means সবকিছু মিলে বাংলাদেশ জিতে গেল বাংলাদেশের কাঙ্ক্ষিত দ্বিতীয় টেস্ট এগেইনস্ট পাকিস্তান। সো I am again saying congratulations Bangladesh, congratulate.